Want to make America great again, or at least your manufacturing shop great again? Well, this is the product to use. It's called Standard Time. Let's start by going to the Scan Barcodes page. Here you will scan 1D barcodes, QR codes, RFID, fobs, tags, anything that records time for employees, work orders, jobs, projects. You'll create historical records and the status of jobs that are in progress at this time. Then go over to the Project Tasks page, view a Gantt chart of tasks that are automatically assigned to workstations and machines or human resources. Compare actuals with estimates, or go to the Users page to see resources, which would include machines and workstations or human resources, and see how those tasks are assigned to those resources and how they are committed, whether over allocated or under allocated out into the future. Then jump over to the task calendar, see all of your tasks on a familiar calendar or on a resource allocation chart where you can see tasks assigned to human resources or workstations, machines, assembly bays, assembly lines, work centers, areas where tasks are being performed. Next, you'll want to put all of your inventory into Standard Time, including your bill of materials, quantity in stock, SKUs, manufacturers, when to reorder. Then go back to the Scan Barcodes page, scan those inventory items or bill of materials, and deduct from stock, create a timestamped record of usage so that you can report or send that information back to your ERP. Lastly, jump down to Work in Progress, post this on a big screen so that all the employees can see the status of the current work orders and jobs on the shop floor right now. There you go. Make America great again, or at least your manufacturing shop with Standard Time.